Yeah, look at it. Lookout Dam, Catawba River. Lake Lookout's above the dam, and it's coming across it, wide open. Are they actually fishing? Are they? Yeah. Okay.
They must be awful hungry, so I like that.
Yeah, I was down on the other side where the bridge is flooded down here, and I stopped there, and they come in behind me, and they come on around, I guess. You know those little black cars? Yeah. Ain't no doubt, it's flat coming around. Yeah, no doubt. It's a mess. Ain't gonna be no fishing, no good fishing for a while. See if I can get that spray. Don't run me off. No doubt. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. It's flat going over there.
Are you really going to put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's going to be linked under?
Mr. Red Eye 611.
Mr. Red Eye
611.
So we'd like to
All
see
together.
it.
Yeah, all together.
Check that out. It is wild.
Yeah, it don't happen all the time. Now, a few months ago now, it come across there a little bit. Seems like it's March. March it's coming across. We were out here. We come out here and checked it out at night, and it was coming across then, but it wasn't real high. I mean, it wasn't coming across real high, but it was coming across.
I know. I rode over that wildlife landing right up there.
Yeah.
That new part they built on where they launch a boat, it's all underwater.
Oh yeah, that bridge down the road there, it's under. I started to come across it. I said, nah, I believe I'll just go around.
Well,
I got four-wheel drive.
Because I asked the guy that was coming out when I was over here about 2 o'clock. I said, that bridge underwater? He said, what bridge? I said, there's a bridge down there. He come out that way to it. I guess not. Well,
it is now. It is now.
Well, that sign was sticking out of the water right there earlier.
It's up like where the first rail is. It's under. It's that first rail that's on the road. It's underwater. Oh yeah.
I would like to know if they catch anything, but I'm not going no further than this.
Yeah, my cousin, he lives on Lookout. They moved out last night.
Really?
They flooded out.
Who's that?
Ronnie Still.
over Scanner a couple times. Want to make sure Oxford Bridge was still open. They said, yeah, DOT said they wasn't planning on closing it. I rode over through there. It's way up.
No doubt.
Yeah, 3
It said Oxford had everything open there for a while, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's coming over the top of there.
Y'all be good.
All right, you too. Don't fight him, JJ. Y'all have a good one.
There you got it. Down here, Lookout Dam. And she's flooding out. Old Mr. Red Eye, 611. I'm gone.